Hi, I'm Steven, and I'd like to share with you the 10 things to expect from your roofing crew when you're getting a roof replacement. So first off, material is going to get ordered to your house, most likely the day before, and it will be placed on the peak of your roof. If they can't get it on the roof, they'll put it on the ground in a nice little pile close to your house. Second thing is the roofing crew is going to want to start early. It helps them beat the heat and get the work done as soon as possible. So maybe 7 a.m., that's probably when they're going to want to show up to your house. After that, we've got work trucks. So you're probably going to have a few work trucks parked down in front of your house and in your driveway. You probably have a dumpster or a trailer also parked close to your house, so that way they can get the trash into it. After that, you can expect the area to be a messy place because it is a work site. So we're talking trash on the ground, on tarps, maybe some tools and material just kind of like laid out in different places, but that's what you can have to expect on a work site. Next would be, it's going to be really loud. So you're going to have nail guns going off, hammers. If you're inside the house, that's probably where you're going to notice the noise the most because it's just going to be constant hammering. After that, the grounds are going to want to be protected. So if you have like a chair or a table next to your house that needs to be moved, the guys will probably move that. And then after that, they'll probably want to lay out tarps to cover. So you'll probably see tarps from your gutters down to the ground or over your bushes, things like that. And that just helps protect from any of the shingles that are coming off your roof. Next thing would be access to power. The guys are probably going to be using some power tools and they're going to need to maybe plug into your house, unless of course they have a generator with them, in which case they'll be fine. So another thing to consider would be that some projects do take a couple days. Depends on the size of your house. A lot of houses can be done in one day, but if you have a big house, it might take 2-3 days max. After that, the last thing would be cleanup. So you can expect the guys to be running around the house, picking up trash, and running a magnet, which would then pick up all the nails to protect your yard from any debris that's left in there.